So let us go to the tops, and I will also be showing you around here how I styled these tops. One of the best bargains that I got is this top. I don't know, like I even have to turn it for you guys for you to see. I love the fact that this top is I don't know if I call it lime green. I do not know. You can leave a comment, tell me what kind or shade of green is this. But for me, it looked more of a lime green. And then it has this mesh here on top, and then the mesh is also here on the hands. It really felt so bougie and good, and it is such a casual kind of top for you to wear any place, anywhere for a weekend. If you're going for a chilled night out, for a brunch, for just a chilled out event during the weekend or an evening, it felt really nice. I got this for 200 bob. This was such a good bargain. I've never gotten like things over a markup of 200 in Gikomba. So also I really felt pain buying it for 200, but it was really it was such a good bargain for 200. I really cannot complain. I really love this one. So the other top I bought is this top. One, it is an off shoulder. It is stretchy right here at the shoulder part. And the stretch is very nicely. Doesn't look like it will be worn out anytime soon. The hands have frills like here, and then they are meshy here at the edge before they get to the frills. It is a free top. You can wear it as an expectant mother. You can wear it with a belt over a weekend, a brunch, a chilled out event, a chilled out dinner with your mubabas. So it felt very nice to have this top, honestly, as mine. This I got it for 250 from the same place I got the lime green one. I got all my skirts from one place, and I got all my tops from one place. And the next video I bought all my sweaters from. I also got for 250, the same market price with the other one, the striped one. This is how this top looks. Like it is one top that will show my chest, because God, the chest that I was given, this one, God gave me a good chest, like a good one, in good measure. Nyonya nazo tulipewa. So and also it has this like it's so free here, and then now this the clinched hand is giving it a very good effect, as you can see here. I really like it because as simple or as complex it looks very nice on me. Very nice on me. One of the best pieces that I've actually gotten in Gikomba in a very long time. And for 250, I cannot complain. I mean, this can be worn in a lot of art. You can wear it like a lot of places. And I also love that it is elastic. Also, so it gives your belly area some time to breathe in or breathe out. I really also loved the color. It is striped black and white. White, I am just actually noticing it is not that clean, but we'll have to redo it again. So, but I really loved the bargain of these tops. So I got the tops, the lime green one for 200, the two tops for 250, and then all the skirts for 300. That was such a good bargain for each and everything. As much as like the price have hiked and they've gone up, I really do not feel bad about that. So that was about it for this video. I know it is gonna be a very short video, and I really do not, with thrifting, I never want to do very long videos compared to home cleaning and everything that I do at home. So watch out for part 2 that I'll be dropping sometime soon. I don't know when, because sometimes I have a routine of when to post what and what not. So I hope you really loved the video. That is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for being here, and until next time, bye.